Yo guys, what's up? Here today, Trade Station, doing the daily options trade. It is the last trading day of the week. Tomorrow is Good Friday. Markets are closed, so don't forget to fix up your options today. Hopefully this video will come out before the end of the markets. So let's check out Tesla. We're at 666. Ooh, that's not a good number. Wow, interesting. Alright. Palantir's 2283. Pretty good. Okay, let's take a look. I know I got options expiring in both of those, I think. Alright. Not yet. Disney, not yet. Virgin Cruise Lines, I think it's later in the month. Yep, 23rd April. Here's my first Palantir position. Both expiring today. One's 22, one's 23. Looks like I'll get called out on a 23 if I let it go. Only 31 cents left. That's a pretty good profit. $236. So, if I do get put to stock, you can see I'll be up already close to $400 between the two options, reducing the cost basis. Okay, so sorry about that. I'm going to have to clip these two videos together. I'm not sure where I stopped, but I think it was, Palantir. So if I do get put these Palantir shares, that'll be 200 shares, and that'll cost about $4,600. And my cost basis would be about $400 less than that because of the puts I just put on there in this account. So it'll be about $4,200. So pretty good. And I'd still be making money at that point. And I want to own Palantir long term. So I think I just might let that go and see what happens. And put some more options on next week. Alright. Got the TBT, which is play on interest rates. It's fine. Tesla. Now we said Tesla before, trading at 666. Not a good sign. But, so we're going to try to roll it. Although I'd like to own Tesla, I should have bought it at 610 when it was there. Idiot. Or 600 earlier in the week. Could have been already up, but of course not. Why would I do that? Always scared of playing with Tesla. Okay, so we roll it 1 week, and we get $1,500. Okay, that seems reasonable. Let's try to lower the strike a little, and it doesn't go down much. So let's go down again. 680. Do a diagonal. Okay, now we're in some serious money. Alright, we're gonna go back up here. Alright, now we're gonna 13. So we lowered the strike. We're doing a diagonal, and we're gonna give us another week for the stock to work itself out. And I like that trade. I'm gonna do it. So let's see if it'll execute. You can see buying power is a little low in this account. So, saving rolling down is good. And it filled. Awesome. So I made $1,330 right there. Doesn't get any better than that, guys. Yeah, it is, one of the reasons I stopped using Tesla so much was it's so volatile. I kept getting crushed. But overall I made money, I think. But it was just so volatile I couldn't deal with it anymore. So I just got out. But I should have held on to it. I sold it out like $200 a share. Yeah, not smart. But that was a while ago. Starting again. And looks like we're doing okay right now. So we'll see how this round goes with Tesla. And let's see, US Steel. Looks like we're not expiring till the monthly on April 16th. Alright guys, that's it for this account. See if I can, let's switch accounts here quick. Now I'm in my cash account, where we got some Suncor, nothing there. Ruth, May, another set of Palantirs, not yet ready for expiry. Nicola, that thing has been a pain, but it might benefit from Joe Biden's plan for infrastructure. We'll have to see how that works out. Hopefully that'll all come back up, and I won't lose my shirt on it like I'm currently doing. Apple is expiring on the 16th, okay. So nothing expiring here. So let's switch to my third account. Oh, my other third account. Let's try that again. Alright, we got Apple, April 16. Boeing, not yet, but it looks like it's doing pretty good. I'm liking it. Okay, Boeing's not bad. It's right in the zone, making money. Beyond, April 23rd. Okay, we're good. Cleveland Cliffs in the money now because they went to the moon yesterday. They shot up like a couple bucks a share. It's pretty awesome. Go EV, I just put that on yesterday, I believe. Man, I love that company. I love the skateboard concept and modularity. I made a whole separate video on that. Go check it out. Grand Canyon University, not yet. Another set of Palantir in this account. Not ready to expire yet, but it looks promising for next week after. My big bet on silver, it never played out. Still can't figure that out. If you guys have anything about the silver, let me know in the comments below, would you? I still can't figure out why the disconnect between paper price of silver and actual physical silver. It's crazy. Crazy shortages in the physical world. Paper world, prices are moving. Stuck. I don't get it. Oh yeah, Tesla. Yeah, 610. Man, I should have bought it at this price, and I would have made some bank. But I decided not. I decided to do an option instead, and collect a bunch of premium. So I'm okay with that. So, alright, Urban Outfitters, nothing there. Got an insurance policy in the VIX. Workhorse, yes, not until May. Man, I love the Workhorse stock. Let me tell you, I should buy some more. Man, that's a great platform. And they might benefit as well. I don't know. We'll see. They've had some issues, but Cathie Wood still believes in them, and so do I. So we'll see about that one. We're going to sit on that for another week or two. Let's see how that plays out. And then U.S. Steel is up again. So you can see there's pretty good profit in there. Maybe take some off the table. I already took 1,000 shares or 2,000 shares off the table. So, alright guys, stay tuned for the daily options trade, and I will see you next week. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.